moving right along. We are on lesson number 7 from our beginning sign language class. The signs in this video are about food. First we have drink, just like you're drinking from a cup. Drink. Eat, it's like you have some food in your hand and you're going to put it in your mouth. Eat. Eat. Water. Make a W hand, put your palm towards the opposite side, fingers up, and tap your first finger on your mouth twice. Water. 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 Milk. Does this look like I'm milking a cow? Take one hand and milk it with one hand. Milk. You squeeze twice. Milk. Milk. Food. Both hands. You're just putting lots and lots of food in your mouth. 2 hands. Food. Fruit. You can eat fruit. Yes. Fruit. F hand, it rocks forward. Fruit. 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 We have vegetable, vegetate, vegetable, vegetable. We have meat, meat. See my lead hand? Meat. Cheese. Great, that cheese. Pasta. Pasta. B hands. And for swirly pasta. Up, out, and down. Pasta. Pasta. And salad. Like you're tossing it. Salad. Bread. Like you're slicing it. Bread. Bread. Dessert. 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 Chocolate. Chocolate. Out and to the opposite side, in and to the same side. Little. Chocolate. Chocolate. And we have and. With. 2. Flip that finger out there. 2. And last is of. O to F. Flip it from the O. Flip your hands up to that F as you bring it forward. Of. Okay, what am I asking? Tell me in comments. See you soon. Bye.